Hey, it's Sharon, your guitar guide, helping you find your sound. Today I want to show you how to play Tennessee Flat Top Box by Rosanne Cash. And that's coming up right after this. This is going to be a two-part video because if we don't, it'll be a 20-minute video and no one wants to watch that. So first, before we get started, I'd just like to say thanks for subscribing to my channel and supporting the channel. Thank you. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you're new to the channel, have a look around. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit the subscribe button for more guitar tips and tricks. And click that bell icon so you can be notified every time I upload a video. So zoom in and let's learn Tennessee Flat Top Box. First off, we've got the Kaiser Capo and we're going to put it on the first fret. If you don't have a capo, check out YourGuitarGuide.com and the gear shop. There's plenty to choose from. So place the capo on the first fret, right behind the fret. The chords in this song are the A and the E. And the way we're going to strum it is pick the 5th string, the A, and let me just say we're going to start from this capo is going to be the nut. So when I say the 2nd fret, I know that literally that's the 3rd fret, but we're going to pretend this isn't here and this is the nut of the guitar. So we've got 5th string, open, strum, 6th string, open, strum. Then we go to E. We're going to pick the E string, 6th string, strum, 5th string, strum. The song starts on A, but there's a little riff to begin with, then it goes to the A chord. So to make things easier to follow, I'm going to say the frets as if the capo was the nut of the guitar. So fret 2 without the capo is really 3. But for this video, the capo is going to be the nut of the guitar, so that would be 1. Okay, I'll show you the beginning and then I'll explain what I'm doing. Alright, so we start out picking the 4th string at the 4th fret, open G, 3rd string, pick the 3rd string 1st fret, 2nd fret, we're doing economy picking, which is up and down. So 2nd fret, and then pick the 4th string, 2nd fret. So it's like this here. So after we get the economy picking, 3rd string, 2nd fret, and then back to the 4th string, 2nd fret. The second time we pick it down, up, 4th string, 2nd fret. So it's Then it's a hammer on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Open G, 3rd string. 4th string, 4th fret. Pick the 4th string, 2nd fret. And then open 4th string. And it's pick the D string again, open 4th string, 4th fret, 5th string, 2nd fret, 5th string, open 5th string, which is the A, and then it goes into the A chord. So it's like this. Once you get to the A, you pick the A string and the E string, 6th string. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. When it goes 1, 2 is when the singing starts. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. A little cabaret. Then it moves over to the E. Little cabaret in a South Florida, Texas town. E. Hit the E string. A. E. A. And it keeps going back between the A and the E. Stay tuned, because in the next lesson I'll give you the information you need to get the tab for this song so you can study it while you're practicing. It'll be a lot easier to play this song. Alright, so practice the strumming pattern and going back and forth from the A and the E, and that intro lick, practice that, and stay tuned for video lesson 2 right here on Your Guitar Guide, where we'll get to the nitty-gritty of the song. And like this video so far, can you go ahead and click the like button, share it with your friends, and leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks. See you in the next video.